Hi everyone, my name's Peter and I work on the public relations team here at Lush Cosmetics North America. And today I'm going to be talking to you about a bunch of amazing products that are perfect for travel. Working in PR, my job usually has me all over the world. From California to New York, there are so many different places that I get to go, which makes finding products that are perfect for travel essential to make everything easy. So today I'm going to be walking you through my travel routine, and make sure you also check out other routine videos that we have across our channels and leave a comment below for other videos that you want to see. Now, let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to talk to you about tea tree water toner, which is packed with grapefruit and juniperberry, which is excellent and super refreshing. So how I use this product is as soon as we've landed and I'm ready to get off the flight, you can just take off the lid and just a few spritzes, and it's a perfect pick-me-up. This product comes in 2 different sizes. So this one is our small version, which is perfect because it's small enough that you can just throw it right into a carry-on. So perfect for travel. The next product I'm going to be talking to you all about is our fresh Farmacy Facial Soap. So one thing about me is I have really sensitive skin. So in the morning, at night, my face is always red and sometimes puffy. So what I love about this product is it contains rose and calamine, which is really great for calming and soothing the skin. So in a lot of ways, this is the #1 product that I would consider my savior. And the thing that makes it even better is the fact that it does come in solid form. So I don't have to worry about bringing a large bottle with me and then having to check a bag. I can just throw this right in my carry-on and I'm all set to go. Immediately, it's just such a calming and soothing scent. And for people that may not like something that's super overpowering, this is definitely a more mild scent that's really gonna calm you down and make you feel so great and relaxed. How I would use this product is the first thing is I would wet my face and then just massage it into my hands a few times, put the bar down, and then apply the soap directly into my skin. Super softly. After about a minute, I stop and then just rinse it off. Okay, so the next product I'm going to be talking to you about is one that may not look super familiar to you, and this is our shampoo bars and this one is called Seanik. So this little bar itself lasts up to 80 washes, which is amazing. And I know myself, the #1 product that people most likely are going to pack in a bag is shampoo. So this little thing is the perfect thing to travel with. What I do when I'm packing my bag to go somewhere is I can pop this in any tin. I prefer the Lush tins, which are perfect for travels. So to use the shampoo bar, all I do is wipe it through my hair about 3 times. After that, you can put it down, and then I just massage it right directly into my scalp. So all over for about 10 to 15 seconds. And from there, I just start to wash it out. And there you go. It literally smells exactly like a sea breeze. It contains sea salt in it, which is great for adding volume, even though I don't have much hair. It's a perfect addition to my routine, especially for when I want to style my hair or if I'm using a particular product. It's just really great for adding a little bit of extra volume. The next product I'm going to be talking to you about is, in my opinion, definitely Lush's most Insta-worthy product, and this is the Scrubee Body Butter. This product is absolutely one of my favorites, and actually just over a year ago, I couldn't have been more excited when we decided to add it to our permanent collection, and I know a lot of other Lushies were just as excited as well. It smells literally exactly like honey, which is so fun and amazing and perfect for summer to give you a really summer fresh smell. As soon as I get to my hotel, the first thing I want to do is shower off my flight. So all I do is go right into the shower, apply hot water all over my body, and then rub Scrubee up and down my arms and legs. Scrubee contains a natural exfoliant, coconut shells, which is really great for taking off any excess dead skin that may have accumulated over my flight. And then the shea butter acts as a great moisturizer. This product is definitely the best 2-in-1 and is a great way to reduce the amount of products that you need to bring with you while you're on the road. So the next product I'm going to talk to you about is our Crème de Menthe mouthwash tabs. And this is my ultimate travel companion because I can literally bring them everywhere. All they are is essentially solid mouthwash tabs. So these are something that are super quick and easy to use, whether I know the plane is landing soon and I want to go run into the bathroom to refresh before we land, or if I'm running out the door to go meet a journalist in New York. This is something that is perfect for on the go and for when life is feeling super busy. This is by far one of our freshest products. It is definitely a great pick-me-up since it's full of peppermint and it's just gonna leave you feeling so fresh and clean. What you do with this product is just pop one into your hand, put it right into your mouth, chew on it, have a glass of water, swish it all around, spit it out, done. It's literally like any other mouthwash, minus the liquid. Thank you all so much for joining me and learning more about my travel routine and certain products that I use that make my travel experience that much easier and helps me avoid long lines in the airport. Now, I would love to learn more about some of the travel tips that you have that I could apply to my life. So feel free to leave your comments below, and I can't wait to learn more about you. Thank you so much, and see you next time.